One of the statements of Dalton's atomic theory is given below. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. Which of the following laws is not related to this statement? Well, if I just talk about this particular thing of law of conservation of mass, so it states that mass of reactant and product remains same. Law of conservation of mass क्या कहता है कि reactant का mass और product का mass जो है वो same रहना चाहिए as mass is conserved in a chemical reaction. So it's not related to Dalton's law basically. Talking about law of definite proportion, ये law क्या state करता है that for a given chemical compound, okay, that a given chemical compound always contain its component element in a fixed ratio. So मैं suppose H2O है, H2O को मैं किसी भी source से produce कर रही हूँ, चाहे chemical reaction के through, चाहे river water, चाहे tap water. So it is actually going to have fixed ratio of hydrogen and oxygen. जैसे hydrogen and oxygen का यहाँ ratio क्या है 2:1 है. So H2O जहाँ से भी मैं लूँ, किसी भी source से मैं H2O को ले रही हूँ, they do gonna have the fixed ratio of its component element basically. So law of definite proportion states that a given chemical compound always contain its component elements in fixed ratio and it does not depend on the source it has been produced from. So it is related with Dalton's statement, that is compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. So yes, I'll mark and go with this particular option. Law of multiple proportion क्या कहता है? It states that when two elements join together to form two or more than two compounds, so the ratio of the mass of one element, which actually joins or react with the fixed mass of the other element, they are in a simple whole number ratio. So it's also in alignment with the Dalton's theory, and I'll also go with this particular fact. Talking about Avogadro's law, Avogadro's law states equal volume of all gases, at the same temperature and pressure, should contain what it should contain? Should contain equal number of molecules. So it's also not related with Dalton's statement. So equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure, it should contain equal number of molecules, which is actually not in alignment with the Dalton's theory. So I'll also not keep this Avogadro's law in my bucket. My bucket is full of second and third options over here, so I'll go with them. Option number 2 and 3 are the right answer for the question.